I'm James Potter. This is my son, Chicken Potter. Come over here. What's up, son? Yeah, Voldemort's totally gonna kill us tonight, so I'm kind of on the run, you know what I'm saying?
I'm Lord Voldemort, and I'm going to sneak into the Potter crib. Hello, Amora.
Is Lily cooking dinner already?
Surprise, you might say. It's me and Lord Voldemort. It's been a while, I must confess. I felt like a Oh. Bitches. It's time to see the boy, aka the chicken. Hello, young chicken. Hey, what up, motherfucker? It's time for you to die, as your mother and father have just done. And now I'm going to make an exact replica of my dick on your forehead. Abracadabra. I'm losing my powers. I lost my powers. You got mustache? Oh, that's all mustache. Into KT. It's all chicken.
Into the light.
Say something for the camera. Say something for the people.
Man, what the fuck is up?
Cedric, we'll grab the cup together.
Faggots. Fucking idiots.
When he finds me, I'm gonna be ready. When he finds me, I'm gonna kill him. The cup was a porky.
Man, what the fuck's a porky?
Yeah.
Oh, my dick is burning. Not that dick, this dick. Ah. Oh. Kill this.
Abracadabra!
Oh, fuck.
Drop you in the cauldron.
Ah. Oh, my power is back. Oh, the chicken who lived all those years ago when I lost my power. I'm going to show you true horror. But now, I can touch your dick now.
Oh, what the fuck?
I make it say when
Poker face, poker face.
I make it say
What a porky. I'm Daniel Radcliffe.
me first. She wanna have whatever she like. She can, she bring her friend. And we can have one hell of a night. Through the day, hey, I mean staring like a creeper, cause you got a peeper. I mean you probably might be saying you ain't jogging either, but man, old girl got a fat old ass. Yeah, the type to make you tell a bitch just dance. And fuck them other niggas cause you down for her bitches. Fuck them other niggas cause she down for the sticking. And fuck them other niggas so she down for some licking. And fuck them other bitches cause she down for the tricking. I'm hoping she a rider. When it's said and done, she spit it up and swallow now. I ain't got a trip about them niggas who like her. Cause me and mommy know.
Oh, Senor Chicken!
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
When
Fuck, you ever seen the city?
I make it say
Why you chicken? You're a sore ass loser.
when I
Breakfast hour and you
Fuck the faggot. I hate all of them.
Man, fuck the feds. I hate all them fucking feds.
No, I'm just playing.
She said she want whatever she like. She said she gon' bring her friend, and we gon' have a hell of a night. Through the day, I made her say, hold up, going to 80.
Yeah, it's Peanut, representing Triple C's, 305, MIA, yo. Down here, I'm liable to spend 50,000 in my Chevy, sitting on 26 inches and come through.
You talking turf wars, I'm on some higher shit. Hit men get hired to go and fire shit. Still in plate Ferrari.